freaking incredible.
Yeah, go.
Yams in a can. So what's the volume? Yo, J-Dog, what's up?
Hey, what's up, Em? Yeah, well, just kicking it, eating some yams, getting my yam on, yeah.
What you talking about getting your yam on? What's that mean?
Yeah, man, what specific key to yams?
What are you talking about? What? The specific heat of yams are 3.27 kilojoules per mole.
Say what?
3.27 kilojoules per mole. Where have you been? Yam cans, the best.
Sounds like I gotta get me some of those.
And now, a word from our scientists.
Yeah. Science.
So the balanced chemical equation is 4 iron plus 3 oxygen goes to 2 iron oxide. And the heat of formation for iron is 0, and also for the oxygen. But for the iron oxide, it's negative 822. To find the heat of reaction, it's 0 kilojoules of iron plus 0 kilojoules of oxygen minus the reactants, which are the 2 iron oxides. And that equals negative 1644 kilojoules per mole. To find Q, you use the number of grams, which is 446.51 grams of yams, times the specific heat of the yams, which is 3.27 joules per gram degree Celsius, and then you multiply that by the difference in the degrees you want to heat that up. So at the starting temperature of 20 degrees Celsius, we want to go to 43.33 degrees Celsius. That Q equals 34,064 joules. Then to find the number of moles of iron, we use the 34.06 kilojoules instead of joules, and we put that over the iron, equals the 1644 kilojoules over the 4 moles of iron, and we solve that out to get 0.083 moles of iron. This is how we find the amount of oxygen we need, but it's sort of redundant because there's a limitless amount of oxygen in the air. So, just if you want to know.
At only $9.97, Yum Yums are good for any kind of people in any type of situation. On the run. Scientists.
Science.
At sports events. On the run. Playing hooky.
Dude!
On the run.
Oh, really?
Hiking.
Yeah.
On the run.
This is how our can looks. As you can see, it's a normal can, except that it has an extra layer on the outside, which in between the two has iron. And this is closed off on the top, except for a circular incision around in which the can top is stuck. And what you do is you insert a little, like, a paint can lid opener, and you pry it off in like 4 or 5 different places around, and then you open and turn over the lid, and there's a spoon on the bottom of the lid here. That was a beautiful thing. And this is the top view, and here, right there, is the circular incision, and it's in the material covering between the opening and the secondary can, as you can see. Yep. Consumer warning. This product may contain lead filings, iron filings, other metal filings. It may cause leukemia, lead poisoning, other fatal diseases. YamCan is not responsible for the deaths of its consumers or anyone affiliated with those who have consumed it.
On the run.